Okay, the first one, guys, the first one is comer como un rey. Comer como un rey. Or comer como una reina. Comer como un rey. Comer como una reina. So if you're a guy and you want to say this yourself, you can use comer como un rey. Okay? If you are a girl or you identify as female, you can say comer como una reina. Okay? So what does this mean? Rey, reina, what are we talking about? We're talking about, not that, we're talking about eating like a king or eating like a queen. Okay? King, rey, queen, reina. Comer, to eat. Como, like. Okay? A. Una, same thing. A. And so this is what this expression means. It's commonly used, and it's used when you eat something super good and a lot of that food. Okay, so you have almost like a banquet, you have a lot of food, you're eating like a king or you're eating like a queen, so a lot. So you can use this expression if you have that situation, if you want to say that, of course. Sorry, I needed to drink water. So let's look at some examples, and so you see how to use this expression. The first example is, hoy comí como una reina. Hoy comí como una reina. So this means I ate like a queen today. Okay? So hoy, you know what hoy means, right? Hoy means today. Hoy, today. So you can have hoy at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. It's okay. You can say comí como una reina hoy. That's fine. Or hoy comí como una reina. Okay? So we just added hoy, right? And then we added the phrase comí como una reina. Obviously, you have to conjugate the verb comer or you gotta know how to conjugate the verb comer if you want to use this phrase. Okay? So, hoy, today, comí como una reina. I ate like a queen. Okay? So that's the literal meaning of this phrase. So you're pretty much saying I stuffed my face with something delicious. I ate such a delicious meal and it was a lot of it. So that's something delicious. That's something good. Okay. The next example is estoy llenísimo. Estoy llenísimo. Do you know this expression? This one is a good one as well. I'll let you know what it means in a second. Estoy llenísimo. Comí como un rey. Estoy llenísimo. Comí como un rey. This means I am very full. I'm so full. I ate like a king. Okay? So the expression estoy llenísimo, estoy llenísimo, that means I am very full. Okay? So you can't have you can't have one more bite. It's like you're super full. And then we added the expression comí como un rey. I ate like a king. So essentially, you're also saying that you enjoyed the food, you enjoyed your meal. So yeah, this one is a good one. Estoy llenísimo or estoy llenísima. Llenísimo, llenísima. So it can be masculine or feminine. Remember that essentially we're saying yo estoy llenísimo, but we don't need yo all the time. We don't need personal pronouns all the time. Same here. Hoy yo. Okay, so that's where yo goes if you want to say it. Hoy yo comí como una reina. Hoy yo comí como una reina. Okay, so but we don't need it. We don't need yo. We don't need it. If you want, you can say it, but we don't need it. Okay, so that's what it means. Comer como un rey or comer como una reina. Just to eat like a king or to eat like a queen. Excellent.